Before we get started on the video, hit the video with a like and subscribe so I can get good luck at fixing everything.
Because there's a lot of problems. And you finally, if I see any comments about scrapping the car, well, I'll box you. Anyway, let's get straight onto the video. Hey, welcome, Mother here. Today I'm going to show you everything wrong behind the Civic Ep2. But before I go to the many problems with this car, let me tell you where I've been. So I've been on and off from YouTube for quite a long time. I haven't been consistent at all, but there's a reason for that. I've been working back with quite a lot, saving as much money as I possibly can, because I've got this huge surprise for you coming around about next week, next 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. So what has dealing the Ep2 to work and back added onto the extra list of problems? Right, so let's start off with the interior. The first things first is the right side of the dash is decided to blow. The centre console lights have decided to go as well. Here's a picture of it at night. And not only that, but as you can see, I've lost this part of the vent, which is super annoying. Coming down here, most of the accessories are now falling off. Now, I do have a problem with sticking fingers on, like in most videos, but now they've decided to fall off. This whole unit that was here, that's gone. Obviously here for the underlight lights, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's, oh, you can see that's coming off as well. On the driver's side, again, the same thing's happened. One's come off and one's still up there. Speaking of the driver's side, the pedals, they've now, well, as you can see, the rubbers going, especially here on the clutch. That's not good. So the seats need a reupholstery. It's a bit of a tear here, and this is more of die issues. And we come up over this side, so in behind the rear speakers, there's a lot of rust. That's probably one of the most notorious places for rust in the Civic. I'm not going to take this out because it does take quite a lot of time. Speaking of rust, there's probably a lot of rust under the car. So then also about this big crack here, and there's some rust on the shell on the inside, which should be sorted out. But apart from that, we've got paint issues here, 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 and a dent here. Right, so I've actually taken off the bumper here because I did see some rust here which I wanted to spectate. Don't know if you can see it, but look at what this as well. So this is the accident that happened. Basically what happened is I beached the exhaust because it hangs low, and then it just moved forward, and then whole bumper this side cracked because the exhaust is on this side. I've got a little line here, right? I don't know if it's not going to focus or anything, but I've got a little line there, and I've got the rust on the bodywork. That's fine. I understand that. The bracket's gone. That's also fine because I understand, but that's gone. Here, however, I'm not quite sure if this is part of the bumper because it doesn't look like it, and it's not. It looks like it should come off like that. But if you go to the other side, where it's clean, got a bracket in there and everything, it's just a line going up. There's no like additional line compared to this. I don't know if I'm like seeing something, but this looks like there's another line going up. I've got the bracket there, obviously that's fine. But this side, what the hell? It's like a lot of filler here, but it's just like, I don't know, it looks like there's someone's filled this bit in here, but I'm not quite sure what's happened. If I look this side, yeah, someone's definitely filled in this part here and made it a different line. Crap. Now the reason why this is not a good moment is because if I was to get an aftermarket bumper on here, it can't line up, which is annoying. So I had to do something about it in the next video. And once I do that, right, I could do a whole tutorial on how to take this bumper off. So let's go back to what's wrong with the car. Right, so in the engine bay, we've got quite a lot of coolant underneath the battery. You can't see it here, and it looks like it's sort of going, but again, we've got a lot of coolant here because of this and this. So basically what's happened is this, oh, that's a bit hot, is the head gasket gone. So that means the exhaust fumes is pressurizing the cooling system a lot more, and all the coolant's coming out of here. If you look down here, you can sort of see there's some water. And finally, we've got this. Yeah, so the rear wiper actually broke off, and it's not one of those things where you can put it back in, it actually just snapped up here, which is really annoying. However, we've got a kill all wipers package, which hopefully we can get this de-wipered. So despite all the problems that we have with this car is a really, really good car, especially for being 16 years and just learning about a dodgy filler repair. I mean, you can't really go wrong with it. Now yes, the head gasket is going, and a lot of actual EP2s on the EP2 page on Facebook, join that if you haven't, if you've got an EP2, they're all actually dying as well. So that means sooner or later I'll have to do the head gasket change. And a head gasket's quite a big job, costs quite a bit of money, and I'm not going to go to a mechanic to do that.
I might blow this car up.
But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a quick small one, but again, I'm getting back into YouTube. It hasn't been a month since the last video, and the next video is going to be a huge surprise. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you a little hint. Let's say it's a car. In that case, I'll see you guys another one. It's been much ready. 1.